Okay, I'm just gonna say it. Dinner doesn't have to be this big old thing that we have to dread night after night, week after week. Over the years, in all my experience, I have learned the significant difference between a stressful dinner and an effortless one. And it usually comes down to one thing: having your flavors ready to go. Let me explain. And if you're like me, busy, tired, pulled in a million directions, you're gonna love this video. Because today I'm showing you 3 freezer-friendly sauces that will completely change the way you cook and the way that you prep. These are the exact sauces that I rely on when I don't want to think about dinner decisions and when I don't want to eat bland, last-minute food. You make these once, you pour them into cubes that are freezer-friendly, and then any night of the week, you melt one, and dinner instantly tastes delicious. So stick with me to the end because I'm gonna show you how I incorporate these 3 sauces into different meal ideas. And I promise you, you're gonna want all 3 of these in your freezer.
This is one of my favorite meal prep sauces because it turns any weeknight into an easy dinner. It's a simple coconut curry sauce. Just coconut milk, red curry paste, lime ginger, sea salt, and a touch of coconut sugar for balance. I love having this on hand because when I'm tired or busy, I can throw veggies or leftover chicken into a skillet, melt a cube of this sauce, and it tastes like a real healthy weeknight dinner I actually planned out. It's creamy, comforting, and honestly, it takes 5 minutes to make. I go through seasons where cooking feels boring, and sauces are what bring the spark back. One quick sauce turns a bowl of rice and veggies into something exciting again, and it's easy. That's why I freeze them like this, so on the days I don't feel inspired, dinner still tastes amazing. Now this sauce has become one of my little kitchen rituals. Anytime I have herbs that are starting to wilt or have an avocado left from lunch, I toss everything into the blender and make this one. I wasn't always someone who made sauces. I used to just buy whatever was on the shelf. But once I realized how easy it is to make something fresh, bright, and clean, there was no going back. The flavors just don't match up. Real food tastes so much better. And I'm a huge fan of the blender. And the funny thing is, it makes healthy eating feel effortless. A scoop of this on leftover chicken or veggies instantly wakes everything up. What I love about sauces like this is how flexible they are. Some days it's a dip, other days it's a drizzle, and sometimes it's just the thing that saves dinner when I don't want to cook or think about cooking. And having a freezer stash of these flavors just takes all the pressure out of cooking. It's like giving future me a little gift. I think soaking cashews was one of the first aha moments for me in the kitchen. I didn't grow up cooking like this, and I definitely didn't know you could turn nuts into something this creamy. The first time I tried it, I remember thinking, wait, that's it? Just soak them and blend? And now I use cashews for everything: sauces, dressings, dips, pasta sauces, because they make things taste rich without weighing you down. It's such a small step, but it makes homemade sauces like this, roasted red pepper sauce, taste so silky and special. And once this blends up, look at that color. This is one of my favorite sauces to keep in the freezer. I use these little silicone molds because they make meal prepping sauces so simple. You just pop the cubes out when you need them. If you've been looking for an easy solution for freezing sauces or broth, the ones I use are linked below in the description. They freeze beautifully, and it's so satisfying to pull out these bright red cubes knowing dinner is basically done. I used to think meal prep had to be this big, all-day production, but honestly, it's the tiny habits, like this, that make the biggest difference. Taking a few minutes to freeze a sauce, or label a bag, or chop something ahead, it all adds up. These little steps save me on the nights when I'm tired, overwhelmed, or honestly, just not in the mood to cook. And the more I do small things like this, the easier cooking becomes. It's not about perfection or having the right system. It's about choosing one simple habit that makes your week feel lighter. And if you want to start building those habits with me, our kitchen culture class in January is all about simple meal prep staples like this. I would love for you to join me. There's something grounding about doing little things in your kitchen that make life easier later. It's such a small act of taking care of yourself. Even popping sauces into a bag like this. Future you is going to be so grateful. These tiny moments build confidence. They remind you that you're capable, you're prepared, and you're doing your best, even on the weeks that feel chaotic. And that's really why I love teaching, because cooking doesn't have to feel stressful and complicated. It can actually feel calm. So if you want more of that in the new year, come cook with me in January. Kitchen Culture is my online virtual monthly cooking class. And it's all about simple, doable meal prep that gives you that feeling of, I've got this. This is my favorite part, taking a super simple base like chicken and rice and turning it into something exciting, almost no effort. A tiny cube of sauce is such a small thing, but it changes everything. It's creamy, it's warm, it's bright, and it pulls the whole dish together. And this is what I mean when I talk about small kitchen habits. You give yourself one little tool like this, and dinner just becomes easier. What I love about this green goddess is how it can take the simplest salad and make it taste alive. It's bright, creamy, herby. Is that a word? And it brings so much flavor without any effort. And again, this is why I freeze sauces. A couple cubes of something fresh like this, and suddenly eating a salad isn't a chore. It actually tastes good. This roasted red pepper sauce is one of my favorite 5-minute dinners. I mean, shrimp cooks so fast, and when you stir in the creamy cashew prep blend, it tastes like a full, rich meal with almost no effort. I love having sauces like this in the freezer because on nights I don't want to think. I can grab a couple of cubes, toss them in the skillet, and let the flavor do the work. It's simple, it's quick, and it tastes so much better than anything I would buy pre-made. And honestly, this is real life. Shrimp from the skillet, veggies I heated in the microwave, and the roasted red pepper sauce brings it all together. It's the kind of dinner that looks fancy, but it's literally the easiest thing to throw together. And that's why I love freezer sauces. They make quick and simple taste like something special.
I hope this video showed you how much easier dinner can be with just a very simple prep step. And if you watched and you thought, I want more of this, or if you thought, I want cooking to feel simple like this, then you're going to love Kitchen Culture. It's my monthly virtual cooking class, and in January, we're doing a meal prep session, all virtual. So if you're ready to start the new year with more ease and confidence in the kitchen. And hey, if you want more food on autopilot, click the link below in the description to join my Kitchen Culture class in January. I would love to cook with you live. And if you found this helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which sauce you're gonna make first. I'll see you in the next video.